In today's video, we take the new Drift C6 Corvette that we built on the Driving Line YouTube channel and we take it to the rollers to see how much power it puts down, as well as put on a few final pieces. One of these days, I'll formally introduce you guys to this build, but if you want to check it out, I have links down below for all of the steps and episodes that we did with Driving Line when we were building this thing. We also need to get some seat time and do some learning, so more to come on that. We got lots of action coming to the channel. We're at Whole Shot trying to figure out why I keep getting a intermittent P2138 code on this car. We think it might be the throttle body. The throttle body is disgusting on this thing, so we also found out that there might be some contaminants in there. We're gonna clean it up. What's weird about this code is that it comes on and off whenever I hit bumps, and it was kind of affecting me whenever I was at the drift pit at Cali Customs. So we're gonna figure out how this is coming about. Maybe we can get to the root cause here with the throttle body because it's connected to the throttle position sensor. I already replaced the pedal, but now it could be correlated to the throttle body as well. We're going to work on this. I'm gonna go for a drive and see if I can get it to come back on again so we can start just eliminating things. But the whole purpose of this is to get the car dyno tuned, which was supposed to happen before Cali Customs, but through scheduling, we had to do it now. If I clear the code, the car drives fine until I hit another set of big bumps, and then it comes back on with reduced engine power. So I'm just trying to get this all sorted out so that way, once I get it tuned, I can have nice peace of mind that anytime I hit the track, it's gonna work. Inline. It's happy to see you. Wow, 06. Just wants to be a part of the party.
See my angle kit, dude?
Dude, sick angle. That's maxed out?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's actually maxed out.
We just did a U-turn in his. Down the street. We did a U-turn down the street.
Hilarious.
No, just
Just like the turning radius?
Yeah, just hilarious.
333,
318. What did Rick say?
340? Or 343, I think?
348. He was one above.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
I don't know shit about LS2, so I'm guessing.
I don't know, dude. This dude dynos these all day.
That's true.
Everybody was wrong. Everybody was wrong. We made power.
What if this is two? That's pretty good. And hell, it's work, actually.
Almost dead even. 353, 354.
It's basically a C706. 650.
650, 50? We're good. I think that's pretty much all it's got in it, which is fine. We're not trying to go for high horsepower. It's just a base LS2. So just want it to be reliable, sound cool, and work good. That's pretty much the only goal here. Looks like we're pulling off heads this winter. Heads cam intake ordered tonight. I was just talking about the valve seals, but yeah, why not? Yeah, that too.
Yeah, probably.
There's a little bit of white smoke happening on the D-cell, which points to valve seals. So whenever it's on that, it just gets so much vacuum, it's sucking it through, burning some of that oil. We might have to do something like in the future to handle up on that, but right now we're just gonna drive it, enjoy it, and learn with it.
Did you smoke on startup, like cold start?
No, just D-cell. So it's not super weak, but they're weak whenever it's on vacuum.
Yeah. Hopefully not rings then.
Wow.
Because that's what mine did. And I did the valve seals. Still did it. So I'm thinking it's oil scraper ring because my compression and leak down is good.
Well, I mean, it seems healthy.
No, yeah, that's how mine is. The oil scraper ring has nothing to do with compression.
Yeah.
It's just scraping your oil back down instead of bringing it into your
Well, if I just burn it a little bit on diesel,
yeah, which is
keep filling it.
Yeah, I religiously check my oil for that reason.
Yeah. Well, it's a track car, so I'll be checking it a lot. Look at him crawl out of there. One thing that hasn't been done is putting on the front lip because this car looks like it has an underbite without a front lip on it. We're gonna go ahead and fix that, but first we need to move it into the middle, put it up on jack stands to be able to reach under there, but this should only be like a 15 or 20 minute job. But that's according to my friend Sabir, who we always underestimate stuff. Something will take an hour and we'll be there all day. So fingers crossed this is nice and smooth, but I'll show you guys what it's like to put a ZR1 lip on from eBay onto your race car. Couldn't do it the other way. We'll see if this is enough because I didn't go up all the way. Give it a good push. We're good. Yeah, that's solid enough. Here's what we're armed with. We have the lip, which is from eBay. We have some knockoff 3M tape, and then we have some self-tappers. So I think this install is going to be pretty easy here. We might be able to just zip it on. Again, this is a race car, so I don't care too much about it being like perfect and J-clip just like OEM, but this is just a factory Z06 bumper, so I do want to take care of that and reduce the amount of holes we have to drill into it. Here's what we have, which is a gloss black ZR1 style lip, and this is from Extreme Online Store, as you guys can probably see right there. Looks pretty good. I don't see any like drips or anything, but now we're gonna go ahead and start holding it up there and attaching it, which is gonna make this whole thing come together. So what I'm starting with are just these J-clips on the edge to hold it in tight, and then I can go in there and go ahead and tighten everything up. I want to say all of these are where we're going to put those extra J-clips, so let me go ahead and try to slide some in there and see if that works. Dude, this is going to make this look so much better. Now we have the lip on the car, and this is attached via the J-clips, which are like the OEM style, which we did on the ends, and I kind of showed you guys that. And we did 4 self-tappers, about 2 in the middle and 2 over here. And that's because they just didn't have J-clips. There was no OEM way to mount it. And the fitment is superb. Like, this does look like an OEM ZR1 lip. It's just gloss black instead of carbon or satin plasticky looking. But yeah, this is going to blend in perfectly because you can see we have gloss black here, gloss black hardware, and we just have gloss black headlights. So it kind of brings everything together with the black, and it just gives us a nice finished look, which is really important because this whole package is all about looking like a race car, and usually race cars do come with splitters. Another thing about this is, although it's up in the air, you can kind of get a sense from the other videos that this car is not the lowest. It's not slammed on the ground like the Mustang is, and this will kind of give us a look as if we're a little bit lower too, because you can see that it drops it about 1.5 inches to 2 inches lower, kind of giving us a ground effect look where we actually look lower on the front bumper than we actually are. The next question is, can we put the jack under there and then actually put the ramps under so that way we can roll back without ripping off our brand new lip? Perfect. That fitment is money. That is sick. That was so perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything in the garage so I can repark it in here. But yeah, this was a pretty simple install. It actually did only take a few minutes whenever we figured everything out. Luckily, I already had some J-clips already here on hand, but if you don't have them, you can check them out on Instagram. I would get like an assorted pack or just try out different sizes. They're pretty cheap. I have a ton of those now because when we were building this and the Mustang, I just was trying out a whole bunch of things, and that was one of the things I had to get. If you guys remember, I think there was a recall on these. I gotta check my part number here, but these are the 3-ton Pittsburgh jacks, and I think these are actually the ones that have the recall, and I just never took care of it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that tomorrow, take these to Harbor Freight and switch them out for Daytonas. These ones are AC Delco, so they're all good, but maybe I'll get another set just so they're all matching, because I know there is a little bit of a size difference or height difference whenever I actually raise these up. I miss you guys. I miss putting out videos for you, and on my goals for the rest of this year and going into 2025 is pump out way more content on the builds, go drive them, bring you guys action. I've been doing a lot of car things, but I just haven't been filming them and uploading. So I just need to bring you guys back in, show you what I'm up to, and really share that with the world. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.